Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today I'm going to talk about a fast heart rate with a vitamin B12 deficiency. So what the thinking is that the heart might pump blood faster to make up for the reduced amount of red blood cells in the body because of anemia. Anemia puts pressure on the heart to basically pump a lot more blood through your body and to circulate oxygen to every single organ.
You're on a loop. They go around the block. They come back. They go around again. They just go round and round. Round and round.
It's kind of crazy just how everything works together synergistically. That's why we have to have all of our vitamins, because they all serve a purpose and every organ serves a purpose. And if we're deficient in one vitamin, even if it's not vitamin B12, it's going to show up somewhere. It's going to show up with some kind of symptom somewhere at some point. So that's why we need to be eating healthy diets, guys. Healthy. Eat a big salad every single day. This is not a symptom that I had, actually. I think I had pretty much every single symptom that you can think of when it comes to do with a vitamin B12 deficiency, but a fast heart rate, I did not have that. Now, I've seen a lot of people reach out to me or just comment or on just searching up on Google and saying that they have a fast heart rate along with their vitamin B12 deficiency. My resting heart rate is around 55-60 beats per minute. And that's just not a symptom that I noticed. I never noticed it increase when I was going through my vitamin B12 deficiency and all the symptoms I was experiencing. But a lot of people do, and a lot of people have. So if you're one of those people who have experienced a fast heart rate, please comment, please reach out, please share what you've gone through, because it really does help for other people to read other people's stories and to see that you can get through it, that you can recover, that you can become better. So please reach out, please subscribe, and please comment. I want to really grow this community, but also please share the informative videos with doctors or nurses or nurse practitioners or anybody in the medical field, because I've gotten so many stories of just people that are just tired of, the medical system and just how it's failed us in regards to a vitamin B12 deficiency. How they seem to test for everything but B12, how we're not informed when we first get into it. Vitamin deficiencies are very rarely ever spoken about. It's usually, hey, here, try this drug. So, when we're first entering into this type of thing, it's just like we have no idea. So if we can educate the doctors who know a lot about the body, who know a lot about medicine, but maybe not so much about vitamins and how they impact the body, please share this with your friends. And together, this channel is about healing every single person of their vitamin B12 deficiency. All right, thank you guys. God bless.